In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a WordPress theme, and we'll get it done in just about 5 minutes. So whether you're looking to give your website a fresh new look, or you're just starting out and want to add some flair, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. This is your main hub for managing your site. So go ahead and open up your web browser and type in wordpress.com. Once you're on the home page, you should see an option to log in. Click on that and enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. Remember, this is where you can control everything related to your WordPress site. So it's important to have your login details handy. After logging in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. Here you'll find various options to manage and customize your site. But for today, we're focusing on installing a theme. Look to the left-hand side of your dashboard, and you'll see a menu. Go ahead and click on Appearance. This section is all about how your site looks and feels, which means this is where themes come into play. Once you're in the Appearance section, you're on the lookout for themes. There's a big search bar that allows you to browse through countless themes the WordPress library has to offer. Think about your site's purpose and how you want it to look as you search. Whether you're running a blog, a portfolio, or an e-commerce site, there's something for everyone. Take your time to explore the options available. There's no rush here. After you've found a theme that catches your eye, it's time to select it. Selecting a theme is simple. Just click on the one you like. You'll usually have the option to preview how it looks on your site, which is a great way to see if it really fits your vision. Make sure to take advantage of this feature, as it can save you time if the theme doesn't quite meet your expectations. Once you've settled on a theme you love, it's time to make it your own. Editing the theme is where you can personalize it to fit your brand or personal taste. This could include changing colors, fonts, the layout, and even adding your logo. Most themes come with easy-to-use customization options, so it's just a matter of exploring what your chosen theme can do. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to install and start editing a WordPress theme, transforming your website into something that's uniquely yours. With these tools at your disposal, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and I hope your new theme brings your vision to life.